I want you to get it. Now, for the grand prizes, we have 90 winners. And what you're going to win is full day in Vegas, where we'll have 10 fireside chats and open mic Q&A. All right. Now, the first 50 referral winners. So this is from people who referred over 10. All right. If you referred over 10 people, this is you. So if your name is called, we'll email with you dates and details. So you'll have a spot in the room should you choose to take it. So listen closely. I'm going to say each name twice. So the 50 referral one-day Vegas winners are, this is from the VIPs who pre-ordered, excuse me. What I said the first time, 10 plus referrals, excuse me. Congratulations to Lisa Cruz,
Braden Lee, Krista, Israel Roca,
nice.
Christian Stubbs, Alec Overett,
I'll get this one. Tad Talbot, John Stojan, Kendrick.
Just wild. Just wild. As you guys just saw, I won a day trip to Las Vegas to meet and talk to Alex Hormozi. As you know, Alex Hormozi launched his third book, $100 Million Money Models. And if you were able to get 10 plus people registered to his live launch event, you were entered to be one of the lucky few people to be flown out and meet Alex Hormozi at the acquisition.com headquarters. And essentially you get to work with him for a day, asking him all the questions about growing your business. Here's the absolute craziest part of all of it, guys. My name is Israel Rocha. I am one of the winners, and I am literally the founder of the 2 most exclusive online communities on School, all about Alex Hormozi. Let me show you. I have 2 communities bringing together entrepreneurs and business owners who absolutely love Alex Hormozi stuff. My first community being Alex Hormozi's School. This is the way bigger community that I have going on. And I actually just released a second community right before the live launch event. And that one is called Hormozi Money Models. Now, this second premium community is all about implementing $100 million money models into your business. That way we can make sure we scale it and grow it massively using Alex Hormozi's third book. But once again, Alex Hormozi doesn't own these communities, I do. So the fact that one of the winners who get to fly out and meet with him and talk to him and work with him is a founder of Alex Hormozi centered school communities is just absolutely mind-blowing to me. And by the way, if you guys are interested, I actually have 2 book clubs going on right now. So in this community, Alex Hormozi School, we have a book club for $100 million leads. And of course, in the premium community, Hormozi Money Models, we have a book club for his brand new book, $100 million Money Models. So if you want to join those book clubs, honestly, join either of these communities and it'll be amazing. Okay. But that's not even what I want to tell you guys. Like I said before, here's the thing. I get to spend all day with Alex Hormozi asking him questions about my business. Now, my question to you is, what would you ask him? Now, you and I, we might have different businesses, but if you had the chance to meet and talk to Alex Hormozi, if you could ask him anything, what would it be? And it could be about your business, or it could be overall motivational life stuff, whatever it is. And the reason why I'm asking is because I plan on collecting a bunch of these questions that you guys submit down in the comments. And after reviewing all of them, I will personally select the best ones. And I'll actually ask Alex Hormozi these questions on your guys' behalf. Now, of course, I will ask him a lot of questions about how to grow my school communities and my business. But I also want to ask him questions for you guys, because you guys are the reason I even have these communities. You guys are the reason I even have this business. So it's my way of giving back to you. I want to make sure that I'm kind of like your messenger over there. As for me, I have to now face the awkwardness of looking Alex Hormozi dead in the eyes and telling him my business is, well, him. Okay, now that just sounds weird. But of course, my business is getting business owners and entrepreneurs like yourself, reading his books together, discussing his content, and encouraging and motivating each other, and problem solving together to make sure we grow our businesses the Alex Hormozi way. I personally am thinking that he'll honestly get it right away and won't be too freaked out, I hope. But I'm personally thinking the biggest question I could ask him first off, hey, how can I maximize the most value into my Alex Hormozi communities without you, yourself, not even being the owner or the main participants in this community, right? I mean, it's kind of the elephant in the room type question. So drop down in the comments, or even better, join one of my Alex Hormozi communities with a ton of entrepreneurs like-minded like yourself, and you just tell me right now, if you had the chance to meet and talk to Alex Hormozi and you could ask him only one question, anything at all, what would it be?